Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Today topic is science. Your first question, do you like science? Your answer, I do find science intriguing because there is so much one can comprehend about the present life from the science, which makes life more vivid for the individual. For example, I know the reason why liquid flow and why my desk is so rigid. All thanks to science. Your second question. What science subject did you like the most in school and why? Your answer. Chemistry has been my favorite subject because it taught me about our surrounding. Surely biology was even interesting, but difficult term it present was not something that fascinated me. The greatest lesson anyone can ever learn from chemistry is that mixing is essential, but one must remember that it can be both constructive and destructive. In addition, some things can be taken back, others not. Your next question. What do you find most interesting about science? Your answer. Science in itself is pretty interesting because of the broad concept that it brings into the picture. So, it is all about nature and its component, biology, physics, chemistry, do make more daily lives possible. I believe that no matter what one does not pursues it in their lives as career, science surely help in leading a better life. Your next question, is there anything that you do not like about the science? Your answer, science is a beautiful subject which if learned practically can teach the people a lot. But I believe it taught poorly in the schools, making kids lost interest in it. Science is about doing the experiment and trying new things. The lack of the proper lab tools and the competition of the getting good grades often take a very real teaching that science has to offer. Your next question, is your work related to science? Your answer, being a blogger and a computer engineer, science does not come to my use every day. Most of time I am writing article on things around or coding my way to make a certain thing happen. But science does create curiosity in me and I do watch some show on Discovery or read the science fiction. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for new update.